This post is for the official out there and the President of the United States, Donald Trump, and the State of Hawaii Governor, Josh Green, as my evidence. This year 2024. I have to catch up my own self to cancel the case because it was false case theoros number 3. CPS DOE is the Garcia Superintendent of Public School. Child abuse case. Okay, 2 names over here, 2 serial number, 2 names. What the heck? 1 FCC 24 and 23. See, continuously on 2024. That's embarrassing. Shame on those judges. They know anymore. I'm not an education guy. I don't know nothing about court, but it is starting to learn something new. So I've been reading it. I'll get a chance to file